Hey there, I'm Arpita and welcome to FinMentors. This is a space where we talk everything about women entrepreneurship. Our today's topic is how you can start your business, and we have broken it down into few parts and we'll talk about everything in detail. So, to start with, first you'll have to understand what is your idea. You'll have to refine your idea. Know what kind of product or what kind of services you'll be selling, as you'll be starting a business, so you'll be having a lot of ideas, and that's okay. We all have many ideas, we all are unique, and we all have our different set of ideas. It doesn't mean that none of the ideas will work. Okay, so refine your idea. Once you have many ideas, bring down to couple of ideas and then do some market research, do some surveys, and that way you will understand where your ideas stand. It's very easy actually, this process. It's not a difficult one, provided you need to have the right planning of how you will proceed with your idea. Number 2, knowing your target audience. Now this is where the game is. Once you have come up with the idea and you know that yes, this is the idea you'll be sticking around, now you'll have to know who your target market is. Without knowing a target market, it's of no point working on your business plan. If you are trying to serve everybody, basically you are trying to serve nobody. Come up with the target market, and that is how you can work more on your product or service. Number 3, solve a problem. Always start your business idea with solving a problem. Find out what are the 3 big problems your target market or your target audience is facing, and what are the solutions your product can give. That is how you can package your product. So to sell any product or service, you'll have to understand that you will be solving a problem. Without solving a problem, that product or service has no value. Next is writing your business plan. Once you have your idea in place, now you'll have to understand what is your mission and vision. Who are you selling? How much fund you have? If you do not have fund, what are the different strategies you can do to make your presence? You can use different social media platforms. Nowadays, you don't even need funds to start your business. You just need to know in which platform your idea will work, in which platform you have your audience. Running into all social media platforms without any kind of strategy won't give you a long return. You'll have to know where my target customers are hanging out. So you'll have to know many things before you actually start getting into the process of promoting yourself in social media. So writing a proper business plan with your mission, vision, objective, what is your fund, whom you are be selling, and what are your next 1 year planning, what next 6 months planning, quarter planning. You'll have to understand everything in your business plan. Once you have a solid business plan, you are good to go. Now the 5th one comes branding. Now this is important because people want to see you. All brands have face values, so you need to create your own face value as well. Come up in the market by showing your face. When people see human, the trust factor develops very fast. Human understands human much better. People do not want to talk to machines all the time. So come up with your face, come up with your brand face. Just a logo and a website won't work. Once you have established your brand to that level, then you can start thinking of putting a logo or website everywhere. But once you are new into the market, people would like to see you. People would like to see what value you are giving. So that is how you develop a branding in the initial phase. And the last one is social media marketing. Now today we are in an era of social revolution. So you'll have to take the opportunity and understand the power of social media. Social media is absolutely game changer, provided you will have to know how to make the best use of it. So go ahead and find your target audience. find your target market, see where you can place yourself in social media, and how you can start promoting yourself, how you can add value, how you can solve a problem, and that is how people will know you. Be honest with what you do. Try to bring a connectivity with your audience. Put relatable contents, and that is how the trust factor will develop. Do not think that you will just put anything and people will start watching you or they will start consuming your information. That way, it doesn't work. Please be honest with your audience, honest with your target market. Try to develop a connection, see where their main pain points are and how you can solve their problem. And that is how you can start building your product, and that is how you can offer your service to them. Thank you so much for watching. Do share your comments, and I promise that I'll reply to all the comments and I'll try to help you in every possible way in starting your entrepreneurship journey.